The Naseto Drone 1080p Foldable FPV offers an impressive 1080p high-definition camera that can be adjusted 90 degrees, allowing users to capture stunning aerial photos and videos with ease. This drone is exceptionally beginner-friendly, featuring intuitive controls such as one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it a fantastic choice for new pilots. With 2 rechargeable batteries, the drone provides up to 30 minutes of flight time, and its foldable design makes it highly portable and easy to transport. Packed with exciting features like gesture-controlled selfies, 3 speed modes, and 3D flips, this drone is perfect for both kids and adults who love a bit of adventure. The drone's optical flow positioning and ability to follow preset flight paths add an extra layer of fun and functionality, making each flight a unique experience. For optimal safety and support, the Naseto brand offers excellent customer service, ensuring users have guidance and assistance when needed.